Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Among Us surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the face shield. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out. It's going to come down, and then we're going to go back up like this just to make the face shield. Now starting here, we're going to make the hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some little bumpy lines that come across like this. Then we're going to go up, and I'm just going to make some bumpy lines that go down and then connect to here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that comes up. And over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to come down like this. And then we just want to bring it up here. And then right here, I'm going to add a couple little bumps on the end. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that just comes down. And we want to go over just a little bit to start the foot. Next, we're going to come up. We'll make a little line across. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and over. Next, we're going to bring this line up and connect it to here by the hat. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go over and down. We're going to continue down and then bring it over. Now let's add a little bit of detail on here. So the first thing, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come across, and then we'll make another one that comes across right here. Next, we'll draw two little lines down for the belt with a little line across. I'll just kind of go over this a couple times. Now I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it right across here, and then I'm going to add a little bit of like a bumpy line right across the top. Then I'll just add two little lines across to kind of show where his boots are going to be. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw another line across the top with another smaller one right here. Back here, I'm going to make a little half circle, and a little line's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then back here. The little line on here, so it kind of looks like he's got a little pack. Now the next step is we want to open this up. Now once we open it up, we have two halves of our little Among Us Santa. So the first thing we want to do is I want to draw a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to connect this line to this line. So I'm going to draw a nice line down to connect it, and then we'll connect this one as well. Then starting here, we're going to draw this line up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then we'll connect it to here. Then starting here, we're going to draw some pointy teeth right across here. And I'm going to do the same thing right along here. Then I'm going to make a tongue. So to start here, I'm just going to draw a long, kind of wavy, curvy line like this. We're going to make it come to a point, and then I'm just going to bring it all the way back to here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a couple little Among Us characters. So first, I'm going to start by drawing a little face shield shape, kind of like a little round one here. I'm going to make a little line that curves down. And we're going to make a little line that goes over, down, and up. We'll make another curve here. We're going to go down, up, and then bring it back. I'm going to make a line that's going to come over and down. A little line that goes over, down, and in. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and down. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes up, and then it's going to come down. We'll put a little circle at the end with a few little lines. Now, starting here, we're going to make another little face shield. I want to make a line that's going to curve down. Line that's going to go out, over, and up. And then a little line that curves, kind of like the same position, like they're running away. Make a line that goes down, over, and then up, and we're going to bring this up and curve it around. Make a little line that's going to go over, down, and back over. And this one I'm going to put a little candy cane on their head. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around like a hook. We're going to go down, and then we're going to curve it around and bring it back to here. Then we just want to add a couple little lines on here. And we're just going to make a couple little lines like they're running away. And then the last thing on the tongue here, I'm just going to add some little curved lines. That way we can make kind of like a candy cane shape design on the tongue. So we're just going to make these little lines right on here. And there you go. There is your Among Us Christmas surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little Christmas Among Us Santa shape. Then when we open it up, we've got the imposter chasing two little Among Us characters away. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.